In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same official WhatsApp application in an Android device. Nowadays, WhatsApp has given us the option to use two WhatsApp personal accounts on the same application itself. And this is how you need to register your second account. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have an older version of Android, not a problem. This is going to work for you also. Just get hold of your Android phone and open WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp account, and sure you already have a WhatsApp account. If you do not have one, you are registering on WhatsApp for the first time. You want to register two numbers on your personal WhatsApp account, not a problem. Do the same thing. Register a SIM and then get to your home screen or your dashboard like this, and then click on the menu icon to the top right, or the three dots. Click on settings, and then once you're here on your profile page, to the right beside your name you see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign and you get a pop-up from below on which you have an option to add WhatsApp account. Click on that option and then you get to the screen on which you could add an account. Click on agree and continue, and then you could register your second number and follow the same procedure that you did for the first SIM. Once you register your second number, you're going to see both your numbers out here on this menu, and whenever you come to the screen you could toggle through your accounts. You don't have to use a second device anymore. Take care, my friend.